This is a junior size rainbow high doll, and so it is perfect for him without raising it up on the pedestal platform. And let's stand her up, and she is also a pretty decent size. I had to go get Mom and the babies so that they could be here visiting while we open her kitchen. Yay, I've been wanting to rip this plastic off for 3 weeks. How fun! Wow. I didn't do that near as graceful as other people have. Sorry about that. I've watched a couple people open this, but it's actually different when you do it yourself. Let's see here. We have some more fun tabs on the back, on the bottom. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Wow, they make it look so easy, man. Congrats to all those other YouTubers that do it gracefully. Ugh. Almost got it. Oh my god, that's my favorite color too. Sorry. Forgive me for saying that word. Alright, so here's the true color test. I think I nailed it. I'm pretty happy. I love this so much. Kind of looks really retro-y, but I know this is a modern kitchen, but you know, it can work. So, fun! The light's already on. No way! I wanted to tell you what I didn't notice when I saw other YouTubers doing this is you have to put your hand here and push down really kind of sturdy and strong. These don't really slide in easy. They are meant to stay in and not come off. So I chose to put the eggs down here because someday soon, hopefully when I open these, I will have the eggs, not sure. And I don't know, I might have to actually adjust this and switch this and put this at the top. That makes a little more sense, but as long as I can get to that shelf. And I noticed that this shelf has this little pattern on it, so I put that there. That makes the most sense. And this is so cute. I'm so thankful. And there we go. So, oh, I wanted to mention, the base of this started collapsing a little bit and sinking in, so it was not sturdy, and this actually almost tipped forward. So I put, I believe it's 8 or 9 layers of cardboard that I cut out of the shipping box. This is the really strong, sturdy cardboard that I made in my last video, the table. So I cut about 8 or 9 of those, and it went right to the top. So now it's sturdy, and both doors can be open. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. It's so satisfying. Listen to that. Whoops, this one doesn't do it. But this has a cool... That's cool. And I just love how it really looks real. Like, that is such an illusion. I love that so much. Look what I found. Of course, this is printed on the back of the refrigerator. This is what actually inspired me to make this. I saw that they're going to be coming out with a stove. It looks like a gas stove. So that was my, right here on kitchen number 1. I just went ahead and made it a reality. Until you can get the actual physical 3D version, now you have it. So that looks like that might be a dishwasher. If we actually get all 5 pieces in the future, it will be really cool. I think, honestly, I'm going to want this piece for sure. Oh, other people make this look so much easier. Yay, you did it! Okay, so I'm going to see what I got. And now I finally have a collector's guide. I honestly don't know what the color coding means because even though I am a designer, I just don't really remember if the color coding on the packages mean anything, which I'm sure it does. Okay, what did I get? Yes, I wanted bacon. If I didn't get bacon, I was going to create it because I would, oh, and I have everyone here. I have my Rainbow High, the Chelsea doll, and my mini American Girl, which I absolutely love that scale. So, and then Barbie. So that way you can see, if you don't already know, what size everything is. Oh yeah, now that's nice. Look at that. Fresh sushi, let's go. I don't even remember seeing that before. Okay, so I'm gonna look at everybody's hands and let's see, after I've got everything opened. What is this? Oh my god, yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm doing my happy dance. I absolutely love these. I wanted them. I was thinking about just ordering them from someone who's already bought a whole bunch and has extra, and that way I could get the Jell-O. Okay, what did I get? What is this? It's sausage patties. Okay. I was thinking about putting some sausage egg McMuffins in one of the templates I'm about to create, so hopefully, now I think this might be my last one. I haven't been counting. Oh, I have one more. So that's good. I have one more after this. What is this? Okay. I'll take some kombucha. I drink it flavored though. I buy it already flavored with. Okay, so what else do we have? This is healing right here. Yes, yes. If you know anyone who's not feeling too good, you should research how good turmeric is for you. I'm not sure that I would buy a straight up bottle like that, but hey, at least they're trying to show you kombucha and turmeric are two things to help you get over a cold besides lemon and ginger. Oh, look, this is at the bottom. This is a donut magnet. Yay. I'll put that back here. Okay, so I am going to get ball number 2. And let's see, thank you. I would really like the ice cream cake, please. And I'll also take the red Jell-O if I could get my hands on that. I'd also love to have the eggs. But we shall see. I was kind of tired last night after the video, so ooh, here we go, satisfying sound. Yay. Please be the ice cream cake in here, please, please, please. Oh, they put the magnet and they make it loose, dude. It just falls right out. Okay, then. Alright, so, alright, I did not get the ice cream cake because none of them are big like a box. So, what else did I get here? Okay, those are colorful though. I'll take some color. And what else do I have? Okay, why did I get 2? Oh, I got the baby one. I was thinking I got the one that was small. I forgot I want the Great Lollipop. Alright, so sorry, I just opened this. And we have some bagel bites. That is good. It looks like it's her size. And let's see here. Oop. And of course, they love to give you lots of turmeric. And that's okay. Oh, I have 3 more. That's nice. Oh, yes. I wanted broccoli. Thank you. I got broccoli. Let's go. That's going to be more Barbie size. And what is in here? Did I really? Yes! Oh my god, yes, thank you. This is something that, since I'm a template designer and I make bags and boxes of food, this is something that is a lot harder to make because it has angles and everything. So I am most grateful. And so is Barbie and my Rainbow High girl. So I have one more. And let's see what it is. Oh, yay. Okay. That is the fruit punch. I'll take it. I wanted the grape, but hey, I'll take fruit punch. These cans are just adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I opened everything. Yes, I did. That was fun. That was nice. I got those for 2 balls for about $16, so it is a little expensive, but hey, hey. I just wanted to see what I could get, right? That's kind of why we all do it. We want to see what the mystery is. We will be back with more great fun things. See you then. Thanks for watching.